How to change a RedNote profile picture. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a RedNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you simply want to go ahead and log in to your RedNote account. Now once you are logged into your account, simply go ahead and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are inside your profile section, simply tap on Edit Profile right over here. Now once you are inside the Edit Profile section, go ahead and tap on your profile picture. Simply tap on Upload a new avatar and it will lead you to your gallery. From your gallery, you can go ahead and choose the profile picture. Once you choose it, you want to go ahead and tap on this red icon. And as you can see that your profile picture has been changed. Now in order to save it, you simply want to go ahead and tap on save, and with that you'll then be able to change the RedNote profile picture. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.